Thanks for joining us on the CueCast. My name is Rob Helt. Today, we're going to talk about something pretty simple, but the question comes up a lot of times when you're running a deposition in presentation mode and OnCue, and you get that page and line number on there, and maybe you want to get rid of it. The reason to do this, so you may go from page 10, lines 1 through 5, to page 12, lines 2 through 10, then back to page 8, lines 5 through 15. I can think of this being very beneficial when in a mediation or maybe even an arbitration where you're not dealing with a jury, you're just dealing with the trier of fact being someone else other than the 12 people in the box. So how do we do it in OnCue? What we're going to do is take one of these designations, and I'm just going to push F5 and run that designation for you to be able to see as it sits here. So let's go ahead and push F5.
Was Jeremy able to success?
And what you can see right there is we have the page and line number. How do we get rid of that? Just come up to Edit, go to Preferences, go to Designations and Transcripts, scroll down until you see Transcript Text Published as text only. Right under that, you'll see Show Page and Line Numbers. By default, that's checked. You can go ahead and uncheck that. Click OK. Then when you run this designation, what will happen is those will be turned off for you. So now that we turn that off, I'm just going to refresh my database by hitting the F9 key. What that does is just make sure everything takes effect and everything's good. So we're going to click this right here. So now we selected designation. We're going to push F5.
Was Jeremy able to success?
And now you can see that the page and line numbers are actually turned off inside of the scrolling text. So it's fairly simple to do. Take that out of there. You can always put it back if you need to by a simple checkbox. We wanted to give the user as much control as we could, and that's why we have this there for you. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Like and subscribe to these videos. This makes it easier for you to get these lessons and easier for us to get these lessons out to everybody else as well. So we'll see you next week on the CueCast.